TFNN. Headline News Update.
Good afternoon, everybody. I'm Tommy O'Brien, coming to you live from TFNN headquarters in Clearwater, Florida, 2 p.m. Eastern Time. 2 hours left to go until that closing bell. Let's check in on the markets as all major indices are in the green. Dow Jones up 126 points, trading 25,090. NASDAQ up 62 points, trading 72.96, and S&P is positive by 17, call it 18.19 as we jump, trading 27.33. So it's 2 p.m. Eastern Time as we speak. You have the Fed minutes, FOMC minutes coming out from their January 31st meeting. Be interesting to see how that shapes the market. Let's jump over to the Nadex platform and check in on some of the futures markets. S&P 500 will start it off with, currently trading 27.34, near the highs of the session. NASDAQ 100, also near the highs of the session, not quite all the way up there. Jump past the Dow. Crude oil trading 61.58. Crude was as high as 61.80 early today. And with the holiday, usually we have EIA inventories on Wednesday. Because of the Monday President's Day, we're going to have EIA tomorrow. So we'll see how that reacts to crude. Gold getting a little bit of volatility even in the last 10-15 minutes, spiking down to 13.29, spiking back up to 13.31.98. Gold as high as 13.35 at about 10 a.m. Eastern Time this morning. I'm seeing headlines out there breaking Fed minutes, all signs pointing to more rate hikes ahead. We'll jump back to that in a moment. Bitcoin, 10,532. Down about $1,200 since the close yesterday. We were up at about 11,700 yesterday, falling off a bit, but a far cry from where we were down to 6,000 not that long ago. Let's just jump back over to the Bloomberg terminal and see what they're talking about here for the Fed minutes. So some of Fed officials saw appreciable risk inflation to lag target. Fed majority, here they are, okay, so we'll read them. Key takeaways. Let's see what they have to say here. One of the money quotes, a majority of participants noted that a stronger outlook for economic growth raised the likelihood that further gradual policy firming would be appropriate. FOMC voters agreed to add word further in front of gradual increases because of the stronger economic outlook. Some doves countered back. Some participants saw an appreciable risk that inflation would continue to fall short of the committee's objectives and judged the FOMC could afford to be patient. A number of the FOMC participants indicated that they had marked up their forecast for economic growth in the near term versus their December estimates. Lots of market action. We'll see how the final 2 hours of the day shape up. Stay tuned. David White coming up right now at the Power Trading Hour, and of course Tom O'Brien live 3 till 5. Have a great afternoon, everybody.